Hello guys, my name is Ali and I am doing management course in University of Bologna. University of Bologna is one of the best universities and the oldest universities in the world, and I want to tell you about my course. My course is in management, and in management course here I have a very practical oriented approach. I have to work on case studies, and I worked on case study of international fashion brands, that's Armani and Zara. We have to work in a group, we have to discuss, we have to do our research, and we have to present it to the professor, and the professors put us in a position of a manager and make us think like a manager and make decisions. So it's more of a practical oriented approach towards studies. And the next thing I want to talk to you about is the quality of education here. The quality of education is wonderful. I can say you get to meet a lot of students, international students coming from all over the world. You make international connections here, you get to know a lot of things, and you also get to learn Italian language, which is one of the plus points. Yeah, you have many institutes which offers free Italian courses here, so adding a language to your curriculum is one of the plus points in your career. And the next thing I want to talk is I want to tell you about the public universities. There are many public universities in Italy which offers a really good quality education, and the with these public universities you get a scholarship of around like 5200 and 5200 euros, so it's almost around 4 lakh in when converted to Indian rupees. So it's one of the plus points that you get almost free education here. And for the scholarship you need to provide some documents. It's not based on the merit, and it's based on your income and other things which documents you have to provide, uh, that has to be legalized from embassy and from Ministry of External Affairs. So you don't have to worry about this if you're coming through Videsh, and Videsh will take care of this scholarship thing and about legalizing your documents and everything. So I want to tell you that is like this process takes around like 3 months from you start from applying to the universities. So be patient. Uh, the sooner you apply, the better chances you have in getting the best universities. So sooner you start, the better universities you get. So and then I want to tell you, this process is lengthy, and to be patient in this process. This process starts with applying to the universities. Once after you get the admission, you have to legalize your documents from embassy and Ministry of External Affairs, that's HRD and Apostle. And once that is done, you get a date for pre-enrollment at the embassy. You have to go to the embassy. Sorry guys, it's pretty cold here. Okay. So Italy is pretty cold, so make sure you get your jackets with you. And after the pre-enrollment, once the pre-enrollment is done, for the pre-enrollment you'll be interviewed by the embassy people. So Videsh will train you on how to answer to the questions in the pre-enrollment process, so you don't have to worry. And after the pre-enrollment is done, you have to apply for the visa, and Videsh will help you in everything, every document that you need to apply for visa, so that you don't get rejected for your visa. So don't worry about the process. Videsh will take care of everything. Videsh Council is best, and especially Sainath Golla is wonderful man. He's a person down to earth. You can trust on him, rely on him. He's a best man. He says everything he does. So he doesn't say things he does not do. So whatever he says, he does everything. So don't worry. You are safe with Videsh, and all the best for your studies. If you are coming here, I wish you luck. And if you need any help and any guidance, you can take my number from Videsh Consults and contact me if you need any guidance or anything. I'll be here for you guys. All the best.